話說早兩日見到自己中意嘅 YouTuber 去咗影 Aura photo，但我今日自己都去試下先。咁一入到個 studio 其實就好細好 cosy 啦，咁佢就會叫你將隻手擺喺個儀器上邊，等佢讀你個能量場，然後再影相。咁跟住佢就會有張卡話俾你聽唔同嘅脈輪，我會叫佢做卓羅，因為我係一個獨男，唔同顏色、唔同位置、唔同嘅意思，然後就根據翻你張相再同你做解說。
So yeah, you have red all around. So you're like moving into it, you're coming out of it, and you're currently in it. And that is our connection to self. Who we are, sense of security, sense of safety, moments of transition, practical, realistic, hardworking. And then you have a little magenta. And so magenta at the throat would be like this effort to communicate in a way that really does just like make sense to you.
I just want to say what
You're gonna say exactly, yeah. But still heart focused.
Studio 嘅位置就係 Mount Pleasant 個 area， 所以不論由 Broadway City Hall 定係 Olympic Village 行過去都好方便。附近亦都有好多好靚嘅 cafe， 所以完咗呢個20至30分鐘嘅解說之後，可以喺附近坐下消化下啱啱發生咗啲乜嘢事。咁我哋下次再見啦！